This is 1,500 meter run, women. Okay, on your marks, get set, go.
Kalma lang, girls.
Second personal foul at second for the team. Nice, two boys. Please, tranquilidad.
Please. Ayun na, magkamayaw. Ayun mo na. Kuha mo siya.
Sana man na ninyo. Wala dira. Ikatag na pag inom og si Tirisin. Basig makakuan ka ba? Ma'am Cham. Ma'am Cham. Upat. Ikaw lista ha.
Nani de shoot, Miss Kirog. Position number 6, Miss Gonzalez. Nati Milad. Sumasak naman. Pinaliwa. Nice, two boys. Peace.
Pag stretching na.
Nati Milad, jersey number 18. Miss Kirog.
Okay, 1.
Nani de shoot, 40 seconds to play. Miss Bitache sa ilalim. Libre. Nice, two boys. Miss Bitache. Time remaining, 35 seconds for our first period. Fifteen seconds to play.
Ano naman tundo ha? Tora.
10 for 2 Nagaparin nice, nice, please jersey number 25, yes, hanya time remaining, 5 seconds to play it's going to be on 5 3 time for our first period. Reminder sa ating mga player, inom yun ng tubig kung grabe kainit ang panahon. Stay hydrated.
Okay, well, we are still in hot for the first quarter and about to start the second quarter. Let us acknowledge first our Sepak Takraw Championship Games. So as we call your names, kindly proceed at the court. Again, Sepak Takraw players, as I call your name, can you proceed at the court? We'll have our Sepak Takraw women to be played between Aero Caprionic Sentinels and Luxor Guardians. Jersey number 20, Shiny Bless X Maniego. Jersey number 19, Bayless Stephanie Elena Dorset. Jersey number 5, Aliyah Kristen S. Quijada. Jersey number 16, Navarro Mary Chris. And with our team captain, jersey number 00, Herbie Christine P. Manapes. Ladies and gentlemen, our Sentinels. And they will be playing against the
Doha na lang, doha na lang.
jersey number 4,
Doha na lang. Doha na lang.
jersey number 11, Isaiah Igonia.
Okay, take your time.
Jersey number 8, Miles Martinez. Jersey number 31, Julian
Ano
Gatter.
naman tundo ha? Tora.
And with their team captain, jersey number 20, Kasama Chan Linya. Ladies and gentlemen, the champ.
Unsa naman na.
Ladies and gentlemen, the championship game. Takraw Women, Sentinels and Guardians. And presenting to you our championship game for Sepak Takraw Men to be played between Knights and Guardians. Presenting players coming from Knights, jersey number 8, Opiso. Jersey number 14, Dondo Nayos. Jersey number 15,
Okay, isa na lang. Isa na lang.
Jersey number 11, Pilotos. Jersey number 1, Albayani. With our team captain, jersey number 6, Rapal. They will be playing against the Guardians. Jersey number 16, Heraldezo. Jersey number 9, Estrada. Jersey number 24, Maristela. Jersey number 18, Membreve. Jersey number 3, Nadella. And with our team captain, jersey number 7, Grignon. The championship match will be officiated by the following officials. Umpire, Mr. John Mark Iguran and Ms. Natasha J. De Jesus.
Isa na lang.
Director,
Isa na lang.
Resume Daidiga. And
Hoy, napa. Kulang pa. Unsa naman eh.
coordinator.
Unsa naman eh. Isa na lang. Isa na lang.
And
Unsa naman eh si Agong. Ah. Joker mo na si Agong.
championship games for Sepak Takraw.
Go, go, go. Yay! Okay, second. Congrats, very good girls.
Back to the bogey. Balikin na.
Ano naman tong upat?
Let's have our stretch.
Mana kay stretching? Mana?
Playmakers sa kanilang pag-isipan sa nagaran. Hindi na mga basura. Ilangan sa saktong mga bayaran. Thank you.
Steady, post sa kuhan. Kayo ba kita? Kayo ba? Karon. Awag ko eh.
Ano naman to? Ito rin. Okay, very good. Third. Fourth.
Yes, Renas nasa labas. Ang star player ng Team Knights. Ipasa ko dito ball. Pwede shot clock. Ipasa sa lalong. 1 years number 07. Ipasa na clock. Boris Boris. Pagkakalin na Mr. Roman. Roman is Pass. Roma. 15 to shoot. 14. Break.
Okay, fifth. Very good.
4-2. North nakuha na Miss Senas. Miss Senas, 4-2.
Okay, very good. Congrats.
Tama dito,